Guys, so today I wanted to review a product that we picked up on Amazon earlier this week. So it is an air duster vacuum cleaner handheld unit. I'd seen these online before. I do a lot of work inside of some really tight spaces that have gunk in them, like inside of AC units outside, the condenser units, and then inside of furnaces inside. There may be stuff all over the place. Thought this might help us out. So we're going to open it up and see what we got. Alright, got the owner's manual. This is the filter that goes inside. A couple clean brushes here. More brushes, some tweezers, whatnot. Another piece for the vacuum cleaner. Another piece for a vacuum cleaner. And I bet this is another piece for the vacuum. Actually, no, this is a nozzle for the blower. And this is an adapter for the blower as well. This is for different sizes, like for blowing up pool stuff or like some inflatables, some things that'll go inside for those. So pretty cool. And then the unit, and then the USB cord. So first time opening this unit. Let's see what we got here. All right. Pretty nifty. Oh, it's already got a filter on it. So looks like the trigger is taped down, so I have to remove the tape off this trigger guard. And again, we can try it out and see how it works. Oh, that's on suction. Wow. That is really good suction. So I guess if we want to put a blower attachment on there to dust off some stuff, we would put it on back here. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's perfect. So there you have it. This product from Meco online or through Amazon. Meco Edelride air duster and vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna have a link in my description for this. Feel free to click on the link, check it out on Amazon, and if you make a purchase, you'll be helping out a local entrepreneur here. I appreciate the support, and stick around for more, or actually subscribe for more videos from Home Remedy. I'd love to show you guys a little bit more about what we do. Thanks. Have a good day. We'll see you soon. Man, yeah.